Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the All-in-One Profits Rotator Club. I want to show you around the site a little bit. This is our team website. It's totally rebrandable system to support our team in All-in-One Profits. Okay, this is the page that you land on when you log in. You're going to see a little video here explaining how it works. And this is a video explaining the compensation plan, guys. That's a must watch. Because to really understand how this works, you have to understand the compensation plan. Below that, you're going to see a link for All-in-One Profits and a button that says Join Here. When you're going to click that button, when you're ready to join All-in-One Profits, it's going to take you there. If you're on my page and you click the Join Here button, you're going to notice when you're signing up that my name isn't listed as your sponsor. It's actually one of the people that recently signed up under me. Okay, that's the way we do things at the Rotator Club, guys. It's all explained inside. You're going to love it. We build our business by helping other people. Okay, I want to show you some of the rebrandable pages that we have here. Okay, this is one we just recently came out with. Okay, you see here, it's a nice looking page. Marketing and branding page. You wanted it, you needed it. Okay, now it's here. This is a link to join All-in-One Profits. This takes you to a video, shows you how to load the campaign messages, the shared campaign. Here's a link to join our Facebook group. And if you scroll down, you're going to see some nice capture pages here that I built. Okay, all you do is when you have your campaign set up, you can just put any name to any active campaign in your Rotator, and these pages will link to it and send your prospects to that campaign. Okay, there's some banner ads, all the same. Email swipes, they all work the same, guys. You just put, where you want them to go. All right, that's our newest page. We have another new page that we just came out with. We call it the Get 4 Comp Plan. This is like an example of what happens if everybody gets 4 people a month. Okay, it goes through it here month by month. It's got the Join Here button, Join All-in-One Profits button. Very nice little tool. Okay, our stuff is people are signing up like crazy, guys. That's what I want to talk about now. These rebranding tools and this whole system, what's been going on since we launched? We launched about a month and a half ago, and this is really turning into like a social movement. Okay, there's no huge budget or anything like that here, guys. It's just people realizing when they take a look at this that it's unlike any other team or team build that they've been involved with in the past. And All-in-One Profits has really made all this possible because of their even up pay plan. This isn't a bunch of gurus that you sign up under and they send you off to fend for yourself and don't care if you succeed. Because while you were struggling to get a sign up, they've already signed up 5 or 10 more people to replace you. I reject that model, and unless you're a guru, you should reject it too. With the comp plan here and this system, there's no reason why everyone can't succeed in All-in-One Profits. This company has everything you need to make it online, including an outstanding reputation, 6 years paying on time, and the value they offer, though, is what really made me take notice of this company in the beginning. I had heard of it over the last couple of years, but didn't really realize what it was. When I finally took a look at the compensation plan, and I realized how we could capitalize on it for duplication and retention, I was floored, guys. I was just blown away, man. I'm asking you now to take a look for yourself. All right, take a look at what I put together. And even though we're brand new, we're not going anywhere, guys, because people love the idea of helping people make money from home. And by helping other people, that's how we're helping ourselves at the Rotator Club. Okay, I want you to take a good look at the Rotator Club and see how it works. See how we put the link for the rotators. The whole thing is built on helping our downline, and that's how we're going to help ourselves. Okay, if that interests you, if being in a reputable company with easy duplication, it's something that you could be proud of to promote. If that interests you at all, I want you to go to the person who showed you this video and take a look at our team. Okay, I'm looking forward to working with you, and I'll see you inside our Facebook group. Thanks, guys.